Hi, it's Celeste, your canary in the coal mine. Today I wanted to talk about cooking methods. It turns out that the safest methods for cooking are relatively low heat forms of cooking. In other words, cooking something on the top of your stove, boiling it, steaming it, putting it in a slow cooker, something where the temperature doesn't get real hot. And the reason for that is because the real high temperatures do strange things to the proteins in the food, and they create products that your body can't deal with. So some of the, this is going to be unpopular, but some of the forms of cooking that you don't want to use, or only use them every now and again, is you don't want to use your microwave. Have you ever thought about those hard spots that form in the food when you kind of don't rotate it right? That's what I'm talking about. Those are the proteins that are turning into substances that your body can't digest well. Another thing, unfortunately, is grilling outdoors. If you want to use the heat, with something wrapped in tin foil or something like that, so you're actually more, it's more like roasting it. That's one thing. But if you're charring things and making them super well cooked and stuff like that, you're causing the food to be converted over into substances that the body doesn't deal well with. So grilling outdoors, and I know that's terrible because people love to grill, and the microwave, and people love the convenience of getting something done fast in the microwave. And then high temperature roasting in the oven would be the third thing. Low temperature, use of your oven is not a problem, but real high temperature use of your oven is a problem. So try to select methods to cook your food that are lower temperatures, or consider not cooking the food at all. There's lots of things, especially in the vegetable family, that you can eat raw. And I make smoothies all the time that I put ingredients in that you wouldn't think that you could eat raw, but the blender smushes it down to something that's quite digestible. Like one of the things I throw into my smoothies is pieces of sweet potato, uncooked pieces of sweet potato. But you'd never know it. I put them in there because of the nutritional value of the sweet potatoes. I put seeds into I put pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, sesame seeds, hemp seeds, and flax seeds. And the only one of those seeds that actually is soft to begin with is the hemp. The other 4 kinds of seeds I soak overnight, and then I dump them in my blender. And by having a high-power blender, that just takes them down to something that's creamy, and I can eat it. And one of the benefits of eating the food raw is that it has the digestive enzymes in it that come with the food. So here's the order of health. Raw is the best for you. The next best is low heat cooking, which would include on the top of the stove and a slow cooker. And then the worst of all would be real high temperature processes like the microwave or grilling. So that's what I wanted to tell you today, and I hope this helps you to get well and stay well. Thanks.